back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. What's up, y'all? So today's video is very exciting, y'all, because this will be like my first little lippy try on, y'all. So I am doing a demonstration on the, is it a demonstration? Cut. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to be trying out the NYX Fat Oil Lip Drip. So I got 4 of them. Yes. Fall colors. Okay, this one is my main. Then we have Follow Back, Status Update. And we have Sprinkle. So if you want to see me test these Lippies out, keep watching. Okay, so this one I have on right now is Sprinkle. It's kind of like a mauve pink to me. So I did line my lips with the NYX, not the NYX, I'm sorry. I did line my lips with MAC Chestnut, and I think it's really giving. So this is the application brush. I like it. This one is so pretty for the fall. What y'all think? I like this one. This is popping. I like this one, y'all. This one is really pretty. Like I said, this is Sprinkle. So let's move on to the next one. Next, we're going to go in with Follow Back. So this one is like a orangey color, and it has a little sparkle to it. I'm going to line my lips with that MAC Chestnut. This is pretty. Oh, I like this. Look at this color, baby. Oh, looks like to be popping for the fall. This one smell a little funny. Okay, let's see. I like this. This is different. Ooh. Am I giving? I like this. Okay. That's Follow Back. Let's try Status Update. Okay. Woo. Now we're going in with Status Update. Woo. Okay. I'm excited about this. This is like a brown shade. Oh. I'm excited. Oh my God. This is pretty. Oh. And you can layer this to get it more pigmented. Oh my God. It's not sticky neither. Like, you know how some of those glosses be real sticky. And I'm a fan of a little stickiness. I know a lot of girls don't like the sticky type of lip glosses, but I like this one. Oh, this one is pretty. Yes. What y'all think? Is it giving, y'all? It's status update giving. It is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Very hydrating. Very, oh my god, like silky, glide on easily. Love the brush applicator. And then we're going to go in with the last one, which is my main, which is just a clear. So a good thing about a clear, you can add any color liner that you want. I'm gonna go in with this one, a tourmaline soap. I'm gonna overline my lips. So I love that sound. Oh god. Okay, let's see. Come on, clear, don't disappoint me now. Oh, okay. This is cute. Just a simple lip combo. Alright, so my overall review, I give these a 5 out of 5. I really like these. I love the formula. It makes my lips feel soft and hydrated. I love the colors. I do notice they have a lot of colors that are so similar to each other, because I ended up taking a few back because I thought they were too close in color. But I am overall satisfied with the colors that I did pick in the end. So I am definitely feeling these. I cannot wait to wear these this fall. And yeah, y'all, it's definitely a fat oil. It does what it says. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have these, let me know which one is your favorite, and let me know which one did you like the most that I tried on. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.